Hi guys, and welcome to SciMarvels. Today we are going to tackle a fascinating mathematical question. Which is bigger, 222 to the power of 333 or 333 to the power of 222? This might seem like a daunting problem, but we will break it down step by step using a clever approach. We start by rewriting the expressions. On the left side, 222 to the power of 333 can be written as 2 times 111 all to the power of 333, and on the right side 333 to the power of 222 can be written as 3 times 111 all to the power of 222. Now let's break down the exponents. Since both expressions involve 111 as a base, we can simplify them further. For the left-hand side can be written as 2 to the power of 333 times 111 to the power of 333. And for the right-hand side can be written as 3 to the power of 223 times 111 to the power of 222. Now, for the left-hand side, we can further simplify it as 2 to the power of 333 times 111 to the power of 222 plus 111. And similarly, the right-hand side remains the same. In the next step, we expand the left-hand side as follows. 2 to the power of 333 times 111 to the power of 222 times 111 to the power of 111. While the right hand side stays unchanged. To make the comparison easier, we can cancel out 111 to the power of 222 from both sides. Now, on the left hand side, we have 2 to the power of 333 times 111 to the power of 111, and on the right hand side, we have 3 to the power of 222. Next, we rewrite them as 2 to the power of 3 times 111 times 111 to the power of 111 for the left side, and 3 to the power of 2 times 111 for the right side. By using the rules of exponents, we can rewrite them as 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 111 times 111 to the power of 111, and 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of 111. This simplifies to 8 to the power of 111 times 111 to the power of 111 on the left side, and 9 to the power of 111 on the right side. According to the properties of the exponents, since the exponents are equal, we can compare the bases. On the left hand side, we multiply the bases, resulting in 8 times 111 all to the power of 111, while the right hand side remains 9 to the power of 111. Now we compare 888 to the power of 111 on the left side with 9 to the power of 111 on the right side. Since the exponents are the same and the base on the left is much larger than the base on the right, we can conclude that the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Therefore, 222 to the power of 333 is larger than 333 to the power of 222. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math problems. See you in the next time. Thank you.